How can we make a circle with a text in it in Microsoft Word? Head to Insert tab, select Shapes and search for the circle. Then click and hold to draw it on your page. You can press Shift to get the perfect 1-to-1 proportion. Here it is. Let's decide on the fill color using this little bucket menu. If you need more colors, you can always find this button here, More Fill Colors, and this will open the color mixer that may look a bit different depending on your operating system. Alright, then I click OK, and here's my new color. Do you need outline around this shape? If not, you can select No Outline. So the line around the shape will disappear. Alright, now it's time to add text inside. We can double tap on the shape or right click and select Add Text. Then you can type in the middle. Here's my text. Feel free to select the text, change the size of the font, the style of the font, and even the color of it using the color menu here. By default, it's aligned to the left, but we can change that to the center, and we can also head back to shape formats for even more editing options like text direction, so we can rotate the text inside the shape without rotating the shape. That's also possible. Text alignment at the middle will do. And that's how you can create a simple circle with a text in it. Then you can just place it whatever you need in your document. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.